two of the same consonant are combined to represent tense sounds. Double consonants are pronounced with more tension in the throat, blocking the airflow. Sangyeok is pronounced as g, g. Sangdigut is pronounced as d, d. Sangbiup is pronounced as bu, bu. Sangshiut is pronounced as si, si. Sangjiu is pronounced as zi, zi. There are three types of consonants: plain sounds, aspirated sounds, pronounced with a strong burst of air, and tense sounds, pronounced by tightening the throat to block airflow. 불, 불, 불. There are 11 double final consonants, formed by combining two consonants. They are used only as final consonants, and only one of them is pronounced. It's better to learn double final consonants gradually, one by one, as you pick up new words, rather than trying to memorize them all at once from the beginning.
Makes me feel